Okay, so I have a shipment from Tributo that I've been waiting to open. In it, I'm expecting to have the dress faja plus a very special faja that I'm not supposed to talk about yet. It's a surprise new design that is coming out shortly. So I just wanted to kind of sit here with you guys. Of course, I tore off everything and kind of go through what it's like getting a new faja. With one hand apparently. Oh, this is cute. So this must be new with the gold paper. I like that a lot. Very cute. And the Tributo symbol. Now what I don't know is which one of these is the one I can share versus the one that I can't. So we'll find out together. Oh, this is nice. Oh, I think that this is the wrong one. I can just tell by little peekings. So let me put this one to the side. Hopefully we'll talk about that soon. Okay. And then we'll get the last one. I'm in my gem, alleged gem, because it actually doesn't get any use, but it has all the mirrors. So that's why I like to do these types of things in here. Okay. It's so pretty. So one of the best things that I love, oops, that was my address. We'll cut that out. One of the best things that I love about the Tributo Fajas is the bag that it comes in, because you can use this to actually wash it. And I don't hand wash mine. It's just impossible, but I do wash them on like a delicate cycle. So having the bag, keeping it secure helps a lot. Not only that, the bag's really good. I actually use it to wash some of my intimates as